Are you ready to blast off to a galaxy filled with arts education fun? Then rock it on over to Mr. Stevey and Friends at the Newtown Farmers Market for Earth, space, and beyond. Hi. Hi, friends. Mr. Stevey here, and I wanted to invite you to a special galaxy themed event featuring hands on arts education activities, mindful games, live demonstrations, and so much more. This free, family friendly outdoor event starts at noon, Saturday, September 24th. It takes place at the Newtown Farmers Market at Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial Park in Sarasota's historic Newtown neighborhood. The theme of this special event for families is Earth, space, and beyond. It's a great way to explore Earth and space through arts education and mindfulness. It's also an opportunity for parents and children to learn about the arts and sciences. There will be live demos, hands-on activities, and so much more. So what do you need? Do you need a special spacesuit? Nope. Do you need a flying saucer or a space shuttle? Uh-uh. All you need is you. That's right. All you have to do is bring yourself and mom and dad, or a responsible adult or guardian. The other thing you need to bring is your creativity and a positive attitude. Friends, this is a free outdoor event focused on providing a safe, diverse, and inclusive environment for local students and their families. It's made possible thanks to a partnership with the Newtown Nation Inc., the Newtown Farmers Market, the Van Wezel Foundation, the Gulf Coast Community Foundation, and the Community Foundation of Sarasota County. We're also grateful to our community partner, Rough and Ready Media. Thank you. For more information, click on the link in the description below. We'll see you soon, friends.